Yes. So an array is a collection of data, and we can call the array values using the index, using array index. This array index starts from 0. So then we can see one simple example. 7.html. How we can define the array? So where my array equal to, how we can define? So array of, so either we can define like this, either we can define like this, or we can define like this: 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma. We can also store. Array is a collection of data. Either we can store the numeric values or strings, and also we can store the variables also. Okay, so then now, okay, so we can store the objects also in it. Okay, so then now you can, so this way is calling the array definition, array creation. So if you want to call the data, so first we have to know the index, we have to know the length of array. Okay, so that will we can see. Now you can call the, so first value, so document dot right. So then, so array name. So then array name with position, with position. For suppose I want to 0th value, so then what is this value? 7.50 ml. Okay, in the seventh first position we are having 10. Okay, right. If you want to last element, so then, so 0 1 2 3 fourth position it is having, so then you can take the fourth. Okay, live is there. So this is the way we can call the array values. Okay, so the next one, special data types. Next one, special data types. Undefined and null. Undefined represents the undefined value. We are already checked that one. For suppose here you can see. So for suppose I don't have document dot write. So I am calling some xyz. Okay, so we cannot define that variable. So now see, x is not defined. X is not defined. Okay, so this is the way we can call the undefined values. Okay, so the next one is so null data type. Null data type, this is another special data type, so that can have only one value, the null value. So a null value means that there is no value, it is not equivalent to empty. Okay, it is not equivalent to empty, it is not equivalent to 0. Okay, it is not equivalent to null, or it is not equivalent to
जी
0. Okay, so it's a null means null. Okay, but there is no meaning, there is no meaning. Okay, so in that variable there is no value. Okay, so for suppose if we can choose the empty also one value. Okay, so if you can choose empty, space also a one value, 0 also a one value. Okay, 0 also a one value. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Sir, I have a
Okay.
question. Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
tell me.
Okay, why we use zero in array?
Zero?
If we want to get any
Position
value.
0.
Hello.
Again, can you repeat?
Well, if we want to get any value from array, we use from 0.
Yes.
So why want to use from 1, 2, 3? Why we use 0 from starting?
No, basically, so that's it. You see, we are defining the indexing from 0th onwards. So 0 is also a one serial number, right? So whenever we are starting from the either integer, so it is starting from sorry numbers, it is starting from 0. But when we start the integers, it is starting from 1 2 3 4 5, right? So
Hmm.
basically indexing is a number
Next.
which is sequence of order. Okay, so that is why it is defining from 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, indexing is a number, not integer. If it is a integer, we can start from 1 onwards. If it is a number, we can start from 0.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so arrays always starts from arrays indexing position. Indexing starts from 0 is 0 onwards.
Okay. Next
Okay,
question. Okay,
okay,
sir.
yes. So the next one is a null. So we have to define the null value specifically. We have to define the null value specifically. So for suppose if you can see here, I am defining the var x equal to, so nothing I didn't give anything. Okay. So whenever I am printing console.log, console.log, so x. So now you can see.
It is not defined.
See, empty is also a one value. Okay,
Well,
so for suppose if you can give this space, space also a one value, space also a one value. It is storing some data, it is storing some, it is occupying some memory. Okay, so then if it is a null, so there is no meaning with that one. Okay, okay, so there is no meaning. So but here we cannot define like this. We cannot define like this. Null we can define, null we can should define. So basically it's a characters, right? Alphabet. So whenever we are creating any string data types, any characters, we are defining with quotes, right? So then this is considered as a string, this one considered as a string. Okay, so this one, so whenever you want to create a null value, so then we have to define like this. Okay, these two are the special data types, null and undefined. So both are special data types. So because of there is no meaning and there is no values, okay, we cannot use anywhere those data types, right? So that next one is JavaScript operators. Next concept is JavaScript operators. Till now, do you have any data types, primitive and non-primitive? Primitive data
not
types, we
good.
are having three type of data types. One is number, second one is string, third one is boolean.
Boolean.
These three are comes under the primitive data type. So then non-primitive data types. So we are coming four data types. So first one is the
Object.
object. Second one is the arrays. So third one is the regular expressions. Fourth one is the functions.
Function.
Okay. So these four are the non-primitive data types.
Non-primitive.
So then special data types, undefined, and so what is other one? Null data types.
Null.
Two are the special data types. Okay, so the next concept is JavaScript operators. So JavaScript operators are symbolic, so that have a special meaning which makes the JavaScript engine to perform some actions and operands. Okay, so we cannot say anyway. So if you want to, if we just we are entering the plus symbol, so these two are combining these two strings. If this if we can give the integers, then so both are adding. So if we can give the string, so then those strings are merging into a one. Okay, so for example, the addition plus symbol is an operator, means to add the variables, to add the two variables or more variables, more than one variable. Okay, while the equal to, double equal to, greater than, less than symbols is used to compare two variables or two values. Okay, so these type of operators we are having. So below are the different type of operators. First one is arithmetic operators, second one is comparison operator, third one is assignment operator, logical operator, string operator, bitwise operator, special operators. So these are the different type of operators, different type of operators. So first one is the arithmetic operators we can see now. So in the arithmetic operators, what symbols we are having? Plus symbol and subtraction symbol, minus symbol, and then star symbol for multiplication and division symbol.
Division.
All right. So these four are the percentile symbol also there. Okay. So these four are the arithmetic operators. Okay, so these four are the arithmetic operators. So we can see one example to combine all these operators. So 8.html, JavaScript,
Operator.
arithmetic operators. So remove. Okay, so now I want to define in two variables. So okay, so we cannot perform arithmetic operation with a single variable. So we need two variables, right? So then where x equal to x equal to 20, so then where y equal to y equal to 2. So these two are my variables. So first one is, so document dot write, document dot write, so then x plus y, x plus y, adding x and y value is, okay, here we are performing the arithmetic operation, right? So whenever you are doing any arithmetic operation, so definitely, so if you can concatenate, so if you are doing the arithmetic operations with like this, if you can give like this, so then there is no problem. So here string also including, here string also including, so we are adding one caption to this arithmetic operations. So now whenever you are doing the arithmetic operations, you can give like this. Okay, so it's a block of code. Okay, so then next one is document dot write subtracting, subtracting x and y, so then x minus y, right? So then we can give the break for in between these two. Document dot write, br. Okay, so the next one is multiplication. Then y value is, so we have to give the star symbol. Okay, so then division, so then divided by x divided by y. So then this one is the percentile of x and y value is, so then here it is percentage. So then tell me what is this value? 22, right? And tell me what is this value? So 80. So then this one 40, right? And this one what is this value? Hmm? 10, right? So then this one value, this is 0 or 10. So which value is coming? 0, 0. The result is percentile x percentile of y is 0. Is the 0, the result is 0 or 10? Tell me. So no one is mathematics. Huh? So then 8.html. Okay. So 22, 18, 40, 10. So 0 is coming. Why 0 is coming? Why 0 is coming? It's a, so how much is after divide? So if any value is remaining, so then that value is coming. Now if we can see, if for suppose if it is a 21, if it is a 21, so then result is, what? Okay, our result is 1 because of a remainder it is taking. Remainder it will take 1, right? Right, after dividing 2, so then, so we are getting another, a remainder is 1. So then, so that value is given. Okay, so that is the percentile. Okay, so percentile means that is the one, so not percentage symbol. Okay, it's not a percentage. Okay, so don't think it as a percentage, it's a reminder. So what is the reminder we are getting? That reminder it will be. Okay, so these 5 are the arithmetic operations. Yes. Next one is the comparison operators. Comparison operators. The comparison operators are used to compare two values. Right. So two values. So first one is double equal to. First one is double equal to. Second one is identical, equal to, equal and same type. Then not equal to, not identical, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are the comparison operators, right? So we can see this one also. So same thing, copy and 9.html. 9.html. Okay, yes, right? So here x and y. Okay, x and y is x equal to y. So then, so how we can define this one? How we can use? So x equal to y. X equal to y. So what is the result here? Either it is true or false. Whenever we are comparison, we are using the comparison operator. So the result will be either true or false. So here what type of result we are getting? So we are getting the false because of x and y is not equal to 9.html, right? Is x equal to y? False, right? For suppose here we are having the 20, so then we will get true, right? So then we will get true. So then now you can see, so this one I am defining as a string. Till we are getting the true only. Okay, it is comparing the values irrespective of data type. So whenever you are giving the double equal to, it is comparing the values only irrespective of data type. Okay, irrespective of data type. Okay, now we can see we are having another operator called identical. So now if we can give the triple equal to here, triple equal to, now it is comparing data type and value also. Value is true fine, so but both are not same data types. Y is a string data type, so then x is a number data type, right? So both are not same data type. Okay, now if we can reload this one, see, x is triple equal to y means false. Okay, it is checking both value and data. Okay, clear? So the next one is the not equal to. Next one is the not equal to. Same thing, same thing. Here we can use the x is not equal to y means first one we are getting the false because of both are same. Alright. So both are same. Right. So the next one is the x is not double equal to. So here, so this one we are getting the true, true. So this one we are getting the false. That is our see here. Okay. So this is the way we can work with the comparison operators. So the next one is the less than and greater than, and less than are equal to and greater than are equal to. Okay, less than means so left hand side value is lower and right hand side value is greater. All right, so then now I am defining here, so where a equal to 10, so then so where b equal to 20. So then now here is a is less than y, a is less than y. This means a is less than b, sorry. So this means, so whatever right hand side value, operator right hand side value is more and left hand side value is less. Right. So here 10 is less, left hand side and right hand side is 20. Yes. Right. So this is a true, then we will get a true value. All right. So then if we can change this one, is b is less than a, so not. So we are getting the false value. We are getting the false result. Okay. So then same thing. So we can use the greater than symbol. Greater than symbol is the opposite to less than. Okay. So now b is a bigger than a. B is a bigger than A. Okay, it's a true. So the next one, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Okay, if it is either less or equal to, either less or equal to, so then if you can use the greater than or equal to, then it is a greater or equal to, so both are same. Okay, now you can see here, so both values are same, both values are same now. So then if you can see this one, B is greater than A, so it is showing the false. So this one also should be false because of both are equal to, both are false. So then you can use the greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So B is greater than or equal to. Yes, it is true because of both are equal to. This condition is satisfied. Then if you can give the 15 also, this will give the true value. Okay, either it is equal to or greater than. Okay, so yes, so these are the comparison operators. Clear? So any doubts up to here? Remaining things we can discuss tomorrow. Assignment operators, then what are the different type of operators? Assignment operators, logical operators, string operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. Okay, so we can continue tomorrow. Okay, okay, then fine, thank you. We'll connect tomorrow.
హలో సార్.
Yes, tell me.
సార్ అది ఈ వీడియో అందుకు నాకు కూడా సెండ్ చేయండి సార్, అది గ్రూప్లో పింగ్ చేస్తాను మెయిల్ ఐడి.
ఓకే ఓకే, శ్రీనివాస్ సెండ్ చేస్తారు.
చెప్పాను
ఓకే,
సార్, సార్ చెప్తే మీకు సెండ్ చేయమన్నారు మెయిల్ ఐడి.
షూర్ షూర్. సో మీరు ఇచ్చారు కదా, నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను ప్రీవియస్. సో దెన్ ఇవి కూడా సెండ్ చేస్తారు వీడు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే దెన్ ఫైన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
యా, బాయ్.